Hey there, this is April Jensen. Thanks for joining me at my Patreon channel. Just want to tell you a little bit more about what I'm going to be doing here. I've decided to do my Patreon channel in a different way. Before it was just focused on sculpting and teaching sculpting and such like that, but I find that what I need it to be is more what I'm kind of inclined to create at this point in time. And so I'm going to kind of shift gears a little bit, and it will still include the sculpting. I'll have that in there, certainly. I want to have it kind of encompass a lot of different aspects of my life, because I think what I can do is just kind of share the things that are close to my heart with you, and then the people that it resonates with will be attracted to it, and we'll just have a nice time talking about life together and sharing goals and dreams. So that's kind of my intention with this. So inside we'll be talking about the sculpting and artwork, and also about manifesting and about power of thought, focus, about healing. I've had quite a journey in the past 2 years. As many of you know, I had a lot of health challenges, and it was pretty challenging. And so, but fortunately, I've been able to learn really a lot of wonderful things that I'm excited to share with you. And so I'm going to be going through the whole process of how I've kind of been getting myself back, and getting my life running smoothly again, getting my stores running smoothly as my energy's returning and I'm feeling much better. And so I thought this will be a valuable process to share, and also helpful for me just to kind of remember the journey myself. So anyway, I'm excited to share things with you like this. This cute little fairy is my latest creation. And one of the things I'm learning is how to be able to sculpt things like this very quickly in a short amount of time, because it also keeps your doll really clean, and it just makes the sculpting more enjoyable. So as I learn more and more tips and tricks, I'm just going to be sharing them with you and have that be part of this whole Patreon community. I kind of struggled trying to figure out how to run a Patreon channel, and for a while it just kind of sat there as some attempts that I made. It just wasn't, classically, like I've often done, is I tried to do way more than what I could actually do, especially with the challenges I was facing. So I'm learning more to pace myself and do better with that. I just wanted to create a little environment here, just a little niche where we can kind of you can come and see what I'm up to, and I'm going to try to get my face on here more often so it can be more personable, and we can kind of more have a conversation and interact that way, back and forth. So just kind of think of it as a chance to have a smoothie or a cup of coffee together and talk about sculpting and life, and just as friends do. So that's kind of my intent with what I want to create here. So I would love to have you come and be a part of it, and I'm excited to share with you my vision of what I'm trying to create, beyond what I have so far. I have a lot of things in mind, and I want to share that with you, and also share some enthusiasm with you for the things that can be created when we put our minds to it, and the amazing people that come into your life to help you bring those things into being. So I'm really excited to share all those kind of things with you. So thanks so much for your interest, and feel free to join us.